Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow. Well, I'm a point guard. I got shoot.
What's up, y'all? JSB the creator, and I'm back again with a new creation today for y'all. Today's video, I'm gonna be working on some LeBron 16s. Now, I don't know if you guys remember this. A while back, I did a pair of LeBron 16s for the homie Retro Boomin, the shooter, the photographer, the man himself. I'm probably gonna put the picture on the screen of what I did for him. But someone's seen that and they've been hitting me up trying to get, you know, that pair done. Me, usually, I don't really like doing the same thing twice for different customers unless I came up with the idea or unless I specifically was like, yo, I'm gonna do a bunch of different versions, like bitch, bunch of different pairs of these. But you know, this person, they really wanted me to do a version of that shoe, so I'm gonna be working on a version of that shoe today. The base shoe for that custom is gonna be on these LeBron 16. I forgot what these were. Something, I forgot the whatever. It's gonna be on these. So I'm gonna be turning this pair into like a similar Vice Miami colorway. I'm gonna be using a lot of pinks. We're gonna throw on a little Miami scenery on this lion piece. We're gonna throw on some palm trees on the tongue. We're gonna Miami Vice this bad boy out. This is gonna be hard because I already worked on a pair of 16s and they are not fun to work on. But you know, I gotta give the people what they want, and that's what I aim to do. Give the people what they want.
You don't owe these people anymore. You've given them everything.
Not everything. Not yet.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give the people what they want. We're gonna get this bad boy done up. Enough said. Let's get into it. once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video on these LeBron 16s. I don't really have a name for them. One of the names I'm thinking for these might be the LeBron 16 Sunsets. You know what I mean? I think that's a sexy name. It's a sexy shoe, you know, so I think I'm going with that. The Sunsets. That's but like I said, the client wanted me to do a similar theme that I did for my boy, the shooter, you know, the sniper, Young Retro Boomin'. And so I came up with these because I didn't want to do the exact same pair. So I still gave these, you know, that Miami vibe to it, but still made it different from his pair. As you can see, I still got the little sunset, you know what I mean? The little sunrise, sunset on the tongue, you know what I mean? The reason why I went with these colors is kind of because of that yellow bottom right there. I couldn't dye it. So instead I incorporated yellow into the color design, so that way I wouldn't have to, you know, get rid of that yellow on the bottom. But I'm rambling. Anyways, you know, I think the design came out fire. These are amazing. These are incredible. I'm really in love with these. I need to make something like this for myself. I have to do that. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, aside from that, y'all know what to do. If you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like, that comment, subscribe, and that bell thing. And if you didn't,
I will destroy you.
but if you didn't, it's still love, man. You already know. I'm just playing around. I'm just messing around. Or am I? Yes, I am just playing around. But aside from that, like I said, I got more projects on the way. I'm working on a lot of Lebrons. I'm working on a lot of some J's, some Nikes, some jackets. I got a lot of stuff coming on the way. Might do a giveaway soon. Stay tuned for that. And also, my boy King Carlow dropped the merch. You know, that's the one who be lacing my videos up with them fire beats that you always be hearing. He dropped some new merch. As you can see, I got it on. It's fly, it fits nice, and it looks good. Plus, it's 3 of them on the front, 3 of them on the back. And you know I like to shine. So, actually you don't know that, but whatever. Regardless, check it out. I'm gonna leave his information down in the description box below. And as I usually say, man, y'all enjoy y'all day, night, or whatever time of day it is, or night, or weekend, or whatever, afternoon, blah, 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 blah. Bye. I will see y'all next time.